Hey there and welcome to another video with me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create discount code or coupon code for your Shopify store. So why create a coupon code or a discount code? Maybe you're creating a coupon code to run like a special offer, right? Maybe it's like your company birthday, and then you're giving like 10% or 15% off to every single customer, or to a specific number of customers, right? Doesn't matter the reason why you are using the coupon code for, but I'm just giving you examples of why some people might use coupon codes, just to clarify my position on discount marketing or coupon code, right? I'm not a big fan of discount marketing, right? Yes, sometimes you might do like one or two discounts, like sometimes you might do discount from time to time, but it shouldn't be like something you do all the time, right? So I'm not saying you must run offers all the time to discount your services. Discounting your services or discounting your products does not make you more enticing than somebody else, right? So this is, yes, it's a strategy of marketing, but marketing is deeper than that, right? So basically, I just want you to understand that. So now let's jump on my PC right now, and then I'll walk you through on how to create a discount code using Shopify. Okay, guys, here we are on my PC right now. This is basically a store that I created recently, right? If you want to watch the video on how to build a Shopify store, I'll also leave a link of that video. Anyway, this was just a short promotion for that store. Now let's go to our Shopify dashboard. So here is our Shopify dashboard. You need to click here on, so you come here to the top area, click here on discount. So here on discount, there are two types of discounts you need to have in mind. So there's the discount code and there's automatic discount, right? So you can either go ahead with the automatic or the discount code, but more or less is the same, but it's not the same thing, but at the end of the day, you are still creating a discount. That's something you need to bear in mind. What's the most popular one is the discount code. So that's the one we're going to use today. We're going to create a discount code. So stick here on discount code and click here on create discount code. So on discount code, you can either enter a name or a code, or you can generate a code. So if you click here on generate code, this is going to be like the sort of code that's going to appear. But I really don't prefer using the generated code because it's not beautiful and people don't tend to remember these codes, right? So I'll make sure I write something that people can remember. So I'll just write here. So I'll just write here, good deal, right? So this is the discount code, good deal. Now, there are 4 types of discounts. So there's percentage discount, there's a fixed amount discount, there's a free shipping, and there's a buy one and get another, right? Or buy X, get Y. So I'll explain every single discount to you so you understand how to use them and why you should use them, right? In different circumstances. So now there's this specific discount here. I'll just stick here to the percentage discount, right? Now I need to add a value. So let's say I want 15% discount on what? If I want 15% discount on all products, I can leave it to all. If I want it to specific products, I can leave it to, if I want it to specific collections, I can leave it to specific collections and come down here and browse, right? I have a lot of collections here. I have a boy, girl, the baby set collection. I can just select any. If I want a discount to be on specific products, I can just select that, right? But at the moment, I'll just leave it to all at the moment, really. I really don't want to complicate this. I'll just leave it to all right now. Minimum requirement, none. Minimum requirement is like somebody must spend a minimum amount of money before they get this specific discount. If you want a minimum requirement, you need to select the minimum requirement here and enter the minimum requirement. So let's say if somebody spends like £50, £150, right, they will get a 15% discount. If they don't spend up to that amount, there's not a discount. So minimum quantity of items. So they need to buy, let's say if they buy 3 items, let's say if they buy 4 items, they will get a 15% discount. But if they buy less than 4 items, they won't get a 50% discount. This is just an example, but I'll just leave that to none here. Customer eligibility, everyone, specific group of specific customers. So if I want a specific group of customers, again, guys, in this area, I must have created a specific group of customers in my Shopify dashboard. Or if I want specific customers, right, that I want this discount to be applied to, I can also do that. So, and then I'll just browse here and select, right? Now, I'll just click here to everyone. Usage limit number of times this discount can be used in total. So if I click here to limit, I can now enter the number of times this discount can be used, right? So let's say this discount can be used 250 times. So that will basically means the first 250 people can use this discount code. Once it costs the 250 people, the discount code will be like the discount campaign will be over, right? So now limit to 1 users per customer, right? So if I want to limit to 1 use per customer, like the same customer cannot use the discount code twice, right? That's if I want that, so I can select that option. But if I don't want it, I can just untick it, right? But I'll just leave it to tick really. Active date, I'll just set up the active date when I want it to be active. And then I'll also set up the end date, right? Make sure I set up the end date. But let's go back up and then I'll show you something. Yeah, so this is the first type of discount, by the way. Now, let's say if I want the fixed amount discount, right? I'll just enter an amount that I want to be discounted. So if, let's say if I want £18 to be discounted on what all products, follow the same procedure here. Minimum requirement, minimum purchase, the person must spend a minimum amount or minimum quantity of items. Customer eligibility, everyone, specific group of customer. Usage limit 250. So I make sure you schedule the date when you want to start your discount campaign and when you want it to end, right? So free shipping, right? Now, free shipping, you need to really be careful here because especially if you're selling worldwide or if you're selling like regionally, some countries have more expensive shipping tariff than other countries, right? So you really need to take this into consideration and make sure that you don't really go deep into your pockets trying to please people with free shipping. So it has to be calculated. But this was just my suggestion. Free shipping, all countries, I can select all countries, or I can go to selected countries, right? And then browse here. I'll select specific countries I would like to benefit from the free shipping. So I like these countries. So I like these countries to benefit from free shipping. And then I'll just click here on add. So these countries, for example, they will benefit from free shipping. If you want to add more countries, you can always add more countries. Shipping rate, exclude shipping rates over a certain amount. If I want that, I can just click here, exclude. So for a certain amount, so let's say if somebody spends like £400 on an item, then they won't need to pay a shipping price on it, right? So this is just like different marketing strategies or different discount strategies as well. But I'll just untick that area. Minimum requirement. Here, I'll leave it to none. Minimum purchase amount. So again, basically it's the same thing, right? So I need to work this out, minimum quantity and so on. So I'll just leave it to none right now. Customer eligibility, everyone, specific groups of customers, specific, okay, usage, make sure you usage 250, limit to 1 user per customer. Active date, this is when it's active, right? So you can set up the time and set up end date as well. If you want to set up the end date, set up the end date and just make sure you save, make sure you save your discount code. But I'll save it in a minute because I just want to show you every single options that we have. Now, buy X, get Y. Minimum quantity of items. So let's say if I want someone to buy one item of a specific product, right? Specific product. I need to browse that product, right? Let's say I want the person to buy a baby bed, right? This is a baby bed, for example. If I want the person to buy a baby bed, customer gets, right? Customer will ask the quantity of the items specified below to the cart. So quantity, the customer get one specific product, and then I need to browse here. They get this product, right? The baby bag. I've just named this a baby bag. Although it's not a baby bag, it doesn't look like a baby bag. So if the customer buys this one, they will get this one, right? So now at a discounted value percentage, let's say 18%, right? If I want the person to get the second item at 80% discount when they buy the first item, I can just enter 18%. Or if I want it to be any other values, I can just add the values there, just so you know. I just want to make sure that you understand this principle correctly. So, or if I want the customer to get the second item for free, I can just select free, right? As you can see, now the second item is going to be free. Now, here, set a maximum number of users per order. If I want to set up a massive, so I can just click here on set, right? So I just want one user per order to benefit from this offer. Now, customer eligibility, everyone. If I want it to be everyone, if I want it to be specific groups of customers, I can do that for specific groups of customers. If I want it to be for special customers, specific customers, so I can still do that, and then I'll just browse, right? But then you will need to add your customers. So you just upload your customer and add your customer individually and just browse them and add them here. But if you want it for everyone, just leave it to everyone, really. Now, usage limit, again, put the value here, set the date, right? So let's say I want this date to be ended on, let's change the date now. I want it to end on the 19th. So I want this offer to go about for 2 days only. And then it's going to end at 12:57. And then I'll just make sure I'll click here on save discount. So basically, guys, that's how you create a discount code, right? So it says here, use a shareable link to promote your discount value code via email or social media. You know, I can use a shareable link to promote this code, or I can just tell people to use good deal, right, as a discount code. Basically, they will get the value of what I've put as a discount. Essentially, that's what's going to happen. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you've managed to create your discount code and you found this video useful, can you type happy? Just type happy in the comment section below. I just want to know, you know, how you feel. If this content was useful enough for you, please don't forget to hit that like button. You know, share this content with anyone on social media, WhatsApp, with your mates. You know, however you want to share it, please do share it. More importantly, can you hit that subscribe button, right? Hit that subscribe button, activate the notification button so that every time I upload new content, you'll be notified about my content. Thank you again, and I see you next time. Cheers.